How's that juice treating you?
Yeah.
It's good?
It's nice.
It's good.
Good job, Em.
Thanks, girl!
Thanks.
Wait for me! Bye, house. Good morning, everybody! Good morning, Joey.
Hi.
Hi. Today is a beautiful Saturday, so what are we gonna do? We are going to go see Joey's parents in Maleny. We're gonna go hang out with the family. So we're heading to Camille's house, which is Joey's older sister, and we're all gonna go up to Maleny together and we're gonna have a super fun day, and I'm really excited. So we gotta go and not speed, just like a normal amount of driving, and get there and have super fun time. So yay, let's go! We made it to Maleny. It's beautiful, except for we don't have a key. So, gotta find a key or a way to get inside. But it's all good.
Parentals are out.
Yeah, Joey's parents went out on their own adventure time. Did you find one?
I got one.
Yay! Good job. Where are you going, Jojo?
Gardener's Falls.
Gardener's Falls. We're in Maleny. We got inside. We managed to find a key. Had some lunch. I tried kombucha. I don't like kombucha. No, it tastes like burning. Kombucha is gross. It's not my thing. No thanks. So now we're gonna go to Gardener's Falls. Yay! It might be a little bit busy, but I'm hoping because it's after lunchtime, it's about 2 o'clock, that it might not be as busy. What do you think?
It will be busy.
Joey still thinks it's gonna be busy. So we'll see. We're gonna go there. Adventure time is now, and adventure time is going to Gardener's Falls and having a swim and feeling refreshed. And hopefully there isn't too many people there, because then it won't be as good. But yeah, awesome. Well, we got here, but Joni was right and I was definitely wrong. It is so busy. You see all these cars? All of them down here too. They're all people going to the falls. So maybe they're all leaving now. So that could be good for us. But yeah, we got here and now we're going to see what it's like. Fun, except for the biggest struggle is getting out over there, because the water is like completely dark. You can't see, and it's like I put my hands here. I'll put my hands to get up, and then I like put my foot down and there was rock, and I was like, oh, I looked like such an idiot trying to get up with just my arms, and I could have pushed up with my legs the whole time. But anyway, I'm gonna jump in again. Is that okay? It's so fun, and the water is so refreshing. It's amazing.
When the water flows hard, that turns into like a slippery slide.
That's so cool. Next time?
Yeah, when it's stormy, just after the storm.
Yeah.
I lost my footing just before because little fish were nipping at my feet.
Ooh, no. super refreshing for a hot summer's day in Australia. But I think we're going to go catch ourselves a really nice sunset this afternoon. I really want to do that. Just go watch it over the hinterland. That's what makes Maleny so amazing. It's on top of the hinterland hills, so you can see the whole of the Sunshine Coast. I think going and watching the sunset this afternoon will be really nice. But yeah, that was really lovely. I really needed just like that refreshing dip. Guys, we got a mission. It's a very important mission. We're on our way now, and we have to complete it today. So you gotta come along with us. You gotta prepare that you may just die. So we needed some liquid for washing our clothes, so good job guys, thanks for the help. And just like that, it's afternoon and we're trying to go find the best sunset spot that Maleny has to offer. Seeing sunset afternoon, like kind of a date but not a date, but we'll call it a date. Don't tell Joey. So yeah, go find a sunset, yeah! Sunsets are amazing. They are seriously like the most beautiful thing. And I know people will be like, well, what about the sunrise? I don't know. There's just something about the time of day. The end of the day, the sunset, and it's just gorgeous. I had a great day today. It was so fun. Going to Gardeners Falls was so refreshing. I feel so relaxed and my skin feels like brand new and my hair definitely is softer, I swear to God. But yeah, Maleny is just such a beautiful, magical place, and I had such a lovely day, and I hope you guys did too. We had a great adventure time. Did you have a good day?
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Got him.
Got him! If you guys enjoyed coming along on our Maleny adventures today, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and then we can do more adventures together. And if you want to see all of our adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then we can be friends forever. So I hope you guys had a really good day. We did too, and I can't wait until we get to see you next time. Bye! Bye-bye, sunset. It's fine. Bye.